Alright, so I hadn't seen very many videos online how to do this, so I thought I would just upload one. Here I've got the adapter for the Sonos one that Sanus sent me. Heads up, I think they're discontinuing these. They sent me this one for free. Here's the part number. I've got a Sonos one here. Then I have a Sanus stand. Alright. And we're going to install this. This is the adapter piece. There we go. Alright, you are going to thread this through normally. And once you do that, it'll come up on this side. At this point you fed it through, you're able to put the top bracket screw onto there. And just put that in place. Cool. So there's one in the bracket right there. It just kind of lifts off, goes onto this bracket, like so. If I can get it on there. One-handed, there we go. All right, then you cinch it down. And you're basically good to go. This is what it looks like in place. It's nice and threaded through. Looks great. Looks clean. Cable's coming out of the bottom. So yeah, there you go.